installation, we're actually going to be doing a headboard, not a wall-to-wall installation. So we're going to be using the entire range of the product. So starting with the starter profile, which obviously sits into the first of the panels. We're also probably going to use an extender as well. One of the benefits of using this extender is it's got trunking in, so if you are mounting a TV onto the paneling, you can run your cables. There's nothing worse than those irritating visible cables running down from your TV. And of course we're going to end up with the end panel. As I said, in this case, being a headboard, we're going to need to finish off the ends properly, so you can use the starter and the end for that. Alright, so we're going to start with preparing the room. We're going to do the wall right behind me over here. So there's not a lot of work to do, so it's just a bit of maneuvering around the furniture and just making sure that the wall, the plaster is clean for the adhesive, and then we're good to go. On both sides, being a headboard feature, obviously going to not be starting in the corner, so we've got our measurements right. We've also used our spirit level to mark our way down the wall to make sure that we're going to lay the first panel straight. Once we've done that, it's basically easy going. As long as the first one's straight, we are all good to go. Alright, we're going to be using high-tech to apply the panels to the wall. The reason we are using this adhesive is that it's got a very quick tack properties in it. It takes about 5 seconds for it to grab and then bonds through its process later on. So you don't want to be standing holding your wall panels up for 5 minutes with a sort of ordinary adhesive. So we found that this high-tech works very well for this kind of application. And that's our beautiful installation done. This took us just over an hour to complete. It included cutting around the plug point with an electronic jigsaw.